Hi student, my next topic is deconstructivism and architect Zaha Hadid. Who is Zaha Hadid? Zaha Muhammad Hadid is born in 31st October 1950. He was the British and the building was the Maxi Bridge Pavilion, Magic Center, Contemporary Art Center. She grew up in the Baghdad, the first and Bauhaus, inspired from the Bauhaus building during and the era of modernism and grammar and progressive thinking in the Middle East. The philosophy of the Hadid was her style is deconstructivism that encourage the radical freedom of the form. That means the form is not in concluded the basic geometry. The form is free from with any shape and sizes and the open manifestations of complexity in a building rather than the strict attention to the functional concern. That means functional concerns are not the main form shape. Main is the manifestation and complexity of the building and the conventional, not a conventional design element like a right angle or the grid. He used mostly the light volume, sharp angular form and play of various light integrations of the building with the landscape. Now my next slide is the Zaha Hadid's creation is Vitra Fire Stations. Vitra Fire Stations is completed in 1993 and Hadid is the first realized project of her career and it is a very prestigious project and Hadid show the work that deliver the deconstructivism theoretical language. What is the deconstructivism? And she was developed through her painting and conceptual meditator of the finding the spatial relationship with form and functions and build in the factory complex in order to protect the all Vitra building after the fire and need for one. The concept. They started the project with the intention to deploy the element of the project. So he would not be lost among the huge shade and the projects like a ship and make up a factory. Also use the element of the structure, the entire side giving and the unique identity and rhythm and with the main street it is run through the complex. It was conceived as the longitudinal garden and where the artificial extensions of the linear pattern of the adjustment farmland and the vineyard. My next slide is the description. The entire building is freezing motion. This is express the tension of a building on the alert and the potential to the action anytime. The wall to guide the past each other, while the large sliding door which are literally a moving wall, like a moving wall. Number 2, the partition is minimized, articulating the spaces with 3 longitudinal stainless steel cabinet that separate the transparent area of the bottom and it is accessed by the independent step ladder. It has a club composed to the staff training room and the conference room. My next slide show the top sectional view of the Vitra fire station. My next slide show the functional layout of the Vitra fire station. The design is showing the unifies of two very different part of this program. Number 1, housing of the fire trucks and provision of the various facilities of the firefighters. The concept of the stacked wall is encompasses both the part and whereby the break or the bent line of the building, the intersections of the two part of this program. The entrance to the building is the preciously in the junctions point of the stacked wall. The interior of the fire station is just as a complex formally are the exterior of the building. The second floor is slightly off balance with the ground floor and create a sense of the spatial instability within the building. As the plan slide past one another and beginning the manipulated according to the program, and visitors are the subject to optical illusions, that is the angle and glimpses of the color begin to the create within it. The slides show how to the interior create the glimpses of the color and angle within the it, and the stair positions with the bend or the angle of the partition's wall. In this slide, I will discuss the materials which is constructed for the Victor Fire Station. The whole building is constructed with the reinforced concrete in cast in situ light, avoiding any added of resort to simplicity of its prismatic form. The abstract quality in architectural concept. The paying the particular attention to the sharpness of the edges and line. The lack of detail was also applied on this inside rough opening frame, polished aluminum sliding panels, close the garage area, guardrail, or the lighting design maintaining the consistent language of the gives the meaning to the whole. The sides show the terrace from of the Victor Fire Station. Thank you.